We now have
Guess the Sound!
Guess the Sound, which we're going to start on more of a regular basis, because it's fun to do. So we
No hints. You float things all the time.
Zip.
Alright, here's the thing. We're going to play this random sound. You guys just chat in. There's a chat box right below, and just guess what you think it is.
Email in your answers to info@loadedtv.com.
And then we have maybe we can surprise them with something that's going on Friday or like something else that's going on.
Tell you what, we'll give you a guest pass to come down to the karaoke night at Bodega on Friday evening at 9 o'clock. How does that sound? And you get, with that pass, you get free drinks as well.
Alright, so email who?
info@loadedtv.com.
And whatever that noise was, I'll bring the guest in tomorrow.
And Justin, you can't enter.
And we'll find out. And so email all your guesses as many times as you want.